Departing Cedar Mills after a pretty awesome weekend, just finishing up the run up here. Okay, all that's good to go. We'll be northbound. Window shut.
Is that all the way?
That's just
okay.
Good, thank you.
Cedar Mills traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight attitude, departing runway 7 will be northbound, Cedar Mills.
Texas Airport, Sherman 3 Yankee Bravo, 4.5 miles due south at 2,500 feet, inbound for 17 full stop, Texas Airport. Sherman traffic, Skyhawk 4705 Delta is number 2 in the flight attitude. We're going to be on the runway for just a couple of minutes.
All right, flaps coming up.
Sherman traffic, Skyhawk 4705 Delta is number 2 in the flight attitude, departing runway 7, Cedar Mills.
That was fun.
That was.
Perfect weather weekend too. Look at all these cool houses out here.
They are neat.
Number 2's off the runway.
Ardmore, downtown, executive, airport, automatic weather observation, 1705 Zulu, weather, wind, 150 at 3, visibility, 10, clear, below, 2000, temperature, 23 Celsius, dew point, 8, altimeter, 3040.
3040.
Eight seven niner going to 0.75.
0.75.
879ers up.
And 05 Delta's up.
Ardmore altimeter is 3040.
3040.
There's a whole flock of birds over there. They're at like our altitude.
Yeah.
That must have been what that guy was talking about.
Yep.
That's nuts.
I see the tower.
You got the tower?
Yep.
You got that flock of birds like kind of in front of you a little to your right?
I'm not seeing them.
Yeah, okay. Looks like you're going to clear them.
Okay. Let's go to the left just a hair though.
Yeah, I would get on my left side. You got that tower 12 o'clock.
Alright, I'm coming over.
You got the tower in sight?
Got it.
Yeah, you're on my left, so you're good.
Yep, I think I'm clear. Are you clear?
I sure hope so.
There's the top of that thing is at 2584. It's 26. That's right where we're at. We should be at the top of that thing. Very cool. All right. Well, I guess hit a few of these airports. We'll shut down the cameras and pick it back up in a little bit. All right, 3,500 inbound to David J. Perry. We're 13 miles out.
Getting the crap beat out of us.
Yeah, it's been rough. Got number 2 behind us. Yeah, it's not a smooth day for flying. Get one more check of the wind here.
0 at 6, visibility 10, clear. Below 12,000, temperature 24, Celsius 2.6, altimeter 3035, lightning, distance west.
I don't believe that, but 150 at 6 is not bad. We'll play in 13.
David J. Ferry traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight of 2, 10 miles southwest, 3,500, inbound landing. David J.
All right, enrich the mixture, lights on, fuel selector valve both. You're still buckled?
Yep.
All right, yep. I have to slow it down in the descent here. Man, it is rough today. For how perfect the weather was this weekend, I can't really complain. Amazing camping weather.
Got a little cold overnight.
Perfect, it means the bugs weren't bothering you.
That's true.
We have Paradise right off our right here. Make sure we're not going to bother anybody coming off of there. And Pacer as well.
David J. Ferry traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight of 2, 5 southwest, will enter a left crosswind, 13, David J.
Got the airport in sight.
I do not.
12 o'clock, 4 miles.
Oh, yeah.
We got Paradise right here.
Yes, I do.
All right, flaps and carb heat in the downwind.
Okay.
And these thermals are aggressive.
David J. traffic, Aero 9347 November, taking taxiway to runway 13, David J.
Nobody out. Paradise looks like.
Nope.
A very precarious spot to be in right now for someone departing there.
Yeah, and there's lots of birds, I've noticed.
Yep, definitely.
David J. Ferry traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight of 2, left crosswind 13, David J.
Look at all these birds in front and just a little below us. You'll see them on your side in just a second.
David J. Ferry traffic, Skyhawk 879er, left downwind 13, David J.
Ooh, that was a good sized bird.
Yeah, it's a hawk.
David J. Ferry traffic, Skyhawk 879er, left base 13, David J. David J. Ferry traffic, Skyhawk 879er, turning final 13, full stop, David J.
David J, Perry Traffic, Skyhawk 4705 Delta is number 2 in the flight of 2, turn in final 13, David J.
Flaps 10?
Flaps up.
Oh, yeah, we're on pavement. Flaps up.
Look whose plane is outside.
I see that.
Very cool.
David J, Perry Traffic, Skyhawk 879er, clear of all runways, taxi to the fuel pump. David J.
They're like having a party out here.
Yeah. A pretty good conclusion to a great weekend.
Yeah, it was.
Well, actually, we still get to fly home after this, but short flight home. Oh, he's going to the... Okay.
To the hangar.
Never mind. Okay.
I said all that extra flying would take us 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And we took off with 6 minutes on the fuel timer. It was exact. Within a minute.